Hello all, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about a workflow that syncs your video's lip movements perfectly with any audio input you have got.
Will prevent those cavities from getting worse and prevent new cavities. Just because you treat cavities, it doesn't.
Imagine you have a video in English and have audio in any language. That's where this workflow comes in.
Cheguei faz um mês. Um mês que eu cheguei. Sim. Primeira semana eu tava só descansando. Só
food, when it comes to relationships, and when it comes to the gym. Let's start about food. Food is really something really.
This workflow can perfectly sync the video's lip movement with the new audio. So here we are using a node called Latent Sync for this. It's an advanced AI framework developed by researchers at ByteDance and Beijing Jiaotong University. The best feature? It enables you to create a virtual avatar that replicates human-like speech patterns. This is one of the best lip sync application out there. First, open ComfyUI and load the workflow. You can download the workflow from the website ComfyUIblog.com. So before we dive into that, let's talk about what you will need. This workflow supports Python version 3.8 to 3.11, but ComfyUI works on Python 3.12. Unfortunately, MediaPipe isn't compatible with Python 3.12 just yet. Don't worry though, I have got you covered with a solution. So download this file from here. So select these two files and save it in this folder fmpg. Next step, go to your ComfyUI's custom node directory, type command at the top of the bar and then copy the link from the website and paste it here. Just copy the link cd ComfyUI latent sync wrapper and install all Python libraries required to run this node and then pip install -r requirement.txt. Now you need a model to run this. First you have to download latent sync _unit.pt file and save it in your ComfyUI's latent sync wrapper checkpoint folder. Next file you need is tiny.py. Go to latent sync wrapper checkpoint folder, create a folder named Whisper and save the file on the location. And tips: if you get Python path errors, running ComfyUI with admin privileges should resolve the issue. That's all for the setup. Now go to the workflow, load the video you want to use. I have upload the audio file. I'm using an MP3 for this demo.
But it's really something that is like, practice makes it perfect, like anything you do in life. So it's the same for meditation. The more time you put into it, the more benefits you will feel. And the only person that can do that work for you is yourself. So it's a gift that you give yourself.
Will prevent those cavities from getting worse and prevent new cavities. Just because you treat cavities, it doesn't mean they can't get cavities in any other tooth or around those other.
As you can see, this video's audio is different and we want the another one. So I am using an
So it's the same for meditation. The more time into it, prevent those cavities from getting worse and prevent something that is like
as you can hear, both are the different audios. Make sure the frame rate is set to 25 fps. Also, make sure the frame is 25. Now there are three video length adjuster. First is ping pong, which ensures the video alignment with the audio even if the video's duration is shorter. Second, normal mode. No adjustments are needed, ideal when the video matches the audio length. Loop to audio mode. That is, if the audio is longer than the video, the system loops the video until the audio ends, maintaining perfect synchronization. Now,
will prevent those cavities from getting worse and prevent new cavities. Just because you treat cavities, it doesn't mean they can't get cavities in any other tooth or around those other cavities. Why did the cavities happen in the first place?
audio into phoneme and ensure that each phoneme corresponds to the correct lip shape. This ensures that the P in perfect or the M in movements has the correct visual representation. Now, I'll use another example. For this demonstration, I have a video of other language that I have uploaded. Alongside this, I'll upload an MP3 file where the audio is in English. You can hear both the audio and video are different. There is a one point here. I have uploaded this video that is of 20 seconds, but the audio is of 15 seconds. So as I told you, I'll use loop to audio mode, which will synchronize the loops between the audio and video. Now it's time to generate the video. So click Q and wait for the process to complete. So the result has been generated and you can see the result.
Will prevent those cavities from getting worse and prevent new cavities. Just because you treat cavities, it doesn't mean they can't get cavities in any other tooth or around those other cavities. Why did the cavities happen in the first place?
The lip synchronization is so precise that it is looking natural, as though the video was originally recorded in a female voice, but this perfectly syncs with a male video. Here, you can notice one more point about the video and audio duration. Originally, both audio and video durations were different, but loop to audio mode has got this covered and matched with the video. Isn't it interesting? This way, you can work on different style videos and audios without any hesitation. Now we will work on another example. Now we will work on normal mode, but there is a one point. The audio duration and video duration will be the same. So let's try this.
I've been trying to Asian food, when it comes to relationships, and when it comes to the gym. Let's start about food. Food is really something really principal about my life because I've been trying a lot of food from different countries lately. I've been trying the Asian food, French food, Thailand food, and etc. My friends are really, French food.
So the result has been generated and it sounds good. You will see the video and audio were of same duration, so there is no adjustments are needed. As discussed earlier, it is perfectly ideal when the video matches the audio length in the normal mode. It can work on even complex sounds and subtle expressions that are matched and given a realistic and seamless output. This
My friends are really food when it comes to relationships and when it comes to the gym. Let's talk about food. Food is really something really principal about my life because
This demonstrates the power of the tool. It can adapt videos across languages while maintaining high accuracy and natural movements, opening up, opening up possibilities for dubbing, localization, and creative video editing. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.